water flashes. The water parades with the fish's tails flopping up in the air. Where's mine? Oh, yeah, mine's way back.
Oh, they really splashing over there now.
Teddy, a big one straight next to mine. Come from mine. It's right over there. It's right there. Look how far Andrew's is way over there. You see, Andrew, that orange thing in the water?
But I got to back around this corner.
Why are you going back this way? You just stuck in a stick. Uh-oh, I put mine over your head. Sorry.
Why are you coming back over here,
Get that stick off
Andrew?
me. Shut up. Sit down. Why don't you come over here and make me? How am I supposed to come over there? We're in a boat. The fishtail parade is still going on. The fishtail parade. I have an urge to use this. I said I have an urge to use the bathroom with the water, the slapping of water. It's making me
That was a really big fish.
That was huge. It's coming. They're getting closer. Oh my gosh, they better not hit the boat and make the boat flip over. Look at me.
Are these sharks or what? Brooke, stop it.
Look at that boat, that sun right there.
It sure is.
Oh my gosh. We need to get out of here. Turn on the thing and start moving before we start sinking or something. Think we're going to sink and die just like that boat right there? I can't believe that's a boat. Hey, we're not supposed to be in the sticks. We're not capable for that yet.
Yeah, we shouldn't be anywhere it's sticks.
Yeah, and a stick cracks us at the bottom or something.
And we get stuck or lodged in it. Nope, we need to keep it moving. Keep it moving. Keep it moving.
Daddy, can you throw this one out? Alright, I need to go back and do this bad. Like, really bad. Stop going this way and start going back. Go that way. Go that way.
Andre,
We get stuck in a boat.
that's a big one. OMG.
Go back. You shut up before I slap you.
Brooke. Andre, Brooke's gotta go to the restroom. Can we go back?
Oh my gosh, there's more water getting inside.
Oh my, look at that thing. Oh my God.
Like something's touching us to make us go in a circle. Now turn on the motor. I gotta get back.
Let's fish back that way.